Okay, we're into this one today. Now I've got all the air filter out of the box. I'm going to sit that there like that just to mark it, because I want to take just a little bit extra out of here. I'm going to mark it first, and then I'm going to turn it over, make some mounts and secure that in there. And then I have to make a top for it for the nut. There it is, the nut that holds the top down. And I've got to find, they don't send you the bolt or anything obviously, because it's got to go on a carby, so I've just got to find a thread to match that. I can't remember what it is. I think it's M6, which I have plenty of, and I shall make the bracket. So I'm going to concentrate on this morning, and then I will sort the rest of it out probably after lunch. But this will take a couple of hours of fucking around, so by the time I mark the top, then turn it over, make little flaps that I need to make to secure that, just a couple of bits of thin metal, fold it round and bolt it on. So yeah, I'll bring you back shortly when I've started to do a little bit, and we'll see how we go today. I don't think, well, I don't doubt that I'll have this finished today, but we'll soon see. You never know what transpires, how long it might take to do something, or what my mood's like. And you know, I can turn in a minute and then I'll be fucked for the rest of the day. So let's just hope I keep my head together while I get this done. Stay tuned. Righto, what have we got so far is this. I've managed to, let me point you up underneath and secure that. I haven't cut any more out of the top yet because I'm going to leave it for a minute until I get it all done, and I'll see how it looks, how bright it looks. I did cut another piece to put the bolt in for the top, but it was too thin, it was too flexible, so I've got this stuff here, some left over from the man cave, and it's the same as what I put on Amit's, so it'll be plenty strong enough. So what I'm going to do now is just fold it so that it goes up, over, and I've got to drill a hole in the centre for the bolt, wherever it is. It's over in the shelf there. And then I can clamp it on, and then that part will be done. So this one's a lot quicker than, obviously, because with Amit's I'm still designing as I go, but now I know what I'm doing. So these are going to be done a whole lot quicker now. So I was going to put you in the stand, but it's just a bit of a pain trying to manipulate and get the thing at the right height. I need to make some adjustable things that I can mount the camera on, because all I've got is the tripod. So I'll see what I can do. I'll bring you back shortly. Stay tuned. Okay, got that in, riveted in, got my nut fitted in the centre. So we put this on. It's going to be a little bit harder with fucking only one hand, but we'll battle on. There's just enough thread sticking through. Tighten that up nicely, like that. There we go. That's that done. So what I'm going to do now is start on that. And I might put you in the stand for that, because no, I think I'll bolt it together first, and then I'll sand that, because I'll clear coat the whole thing all at once. So I'll put you in the tripod in a second, and we'll come back and have a look at this bit. Righto, we've got this far. I thought I'd do a little bit of video just sanding this down and clear coating it. I've got it all wired. The only thing I did fuck up, and it's not a fuck up, I can fix it, is the cord comes out the back of the lamp, and I've got the front pointing the wrong way. It's just a matter of undoing the bolts underneath the piston and turning it around 90 degrees. So I don't want to pick it up because I've glued the cable in there with elastic, and I've got the feet on it, and I've painted underneath. So I'm gonna fix it, clear coat it, and then tomorrow I'll switch it all around. But I'll just do a little bit of video cleaning this schmozzle up underneath here. So it's fixed it. That's how little it takes to fix it. Well, there's a little bit on the other side. Oh, there's a little lump there. What I'll do is, that block that I've got is a soft one, but I have a cork one here that I will use just to get the high spots properly. Take that clock back out. Still got to order a new clock. I keep forgetting. That's a spare one that I've got. Actually, I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to fix that up now. I'll turn you off and I'll bring you back on when I'm ready to clear coat it, because I don't want to have to frig with it and scratch it. So once I clear coat it, it's finished pretty much. So I'll sort that out and then I'll bring you back. Right, I've got that fixed. Back. Now a little bit of terps. We're going to give this a wipe down and a blow down. Not a blow job, just a blow down. Just to get all of the greasy handprints off it, any residues, so when I clear coat everything, it'll stick. Wipe down. That's one thing I like about terps. You can give everything a good clean and it does fade away, it does evaporate eventually. And it leaves no residue and your paint will stick no matter what you're using. So give it another blow job. Cut in any second. There we go. Gloss clear coat. you. Righto. There we go, look at that. How spectacular does that look? I'm thinking, and I do think sometimes, don't let that shock you, where to put the light globe? I've lost the light globe. Where have I put that bastard? I took it out so I wouldn't fuck it. Oh, there it is. And I put it down in amongst this fucking mess that I call a workshop. Now I'll put that on and make sure that the fucking light works. Of course, if it doesn't, then I'm going to chop that bit out and you won't see it. But I'll take that off first. Right. There we go. Plug him in. Wow, look at that. We have contact. Where's that clock go? The clock goes this side, dickhead. Not in fully, but I don't want to force it because I don't want to touch anything. I mean, that's not sitting flat either, like that table's a little bit how you going. But it'll give me a thumbnail for PooTube. Close this door over. Too much light bleeds in. Oh, look at that. How does that look? Pretty fucking good, doesn't it? Hang on, let me get you out of this. Flip the screen over so I can see what I'm filming. There you go. I like that. I'm sure Amit's brother-in-law is going to like that. The only thing that's got is where I've epoxied that in, that epoxy's not fully set. And there goes the clock. That's alright, I got myself a shot. So, I didn't hit anything on the way down, no. Yeah, it's come up nice. So I'm just going to let that dry. I'll probably give it another clear coat just around the base, and then leave it till tomorrow. I don't want to touch it after that until it's fully dried, and I'll put it out in the garage. I've got to get another clock face, and all I've got to do is make something to fit in the back to plug the back up. But that's easy done. I can do that with just a little bit of aluminium. Oh, that's got a hole through it. I'll find something. I've got some aluminium still down here. Down there, that little fucker right in there. So I can chop a little bit off that. But that's it. All but done. So thanks for hanging around for this one. It's been epic. As I said, tomorrow, I was going to start the others tomorrow, but I think I'm going for a ride with a friend tomorrow, so I'll start it Saturday. The other two. And the Harley motor. So, yeah, that looks nice. So until the next video, which will be dismounting those fuckers, as usual, stay safe. Peace.